I told you I'm talking to you. No, I'm just 1 month. I'm come here.
I'm only talking.
No, if you want such a strike, then I'm going. I will also bring my people. No,
We are not doing a strike. We just you have to see the people, no.
I told you to explain to me first.
Okay, just.
No, what is it you want to do? No, I'm going. What do you said on my chair?
I'll talk to you.
I told you no. I'm just.
Approached the PWD executive engineer because of this very old road. From 1995 we've been fighting. For last 5 years we've been fighting to retar the road. The tarring had been started in May 2016, but due to some people's interference, there was a stay been bought, and the stay was been revoked in 8th September in 2017. No, 16 only. No, 2016. It was been revoked. And the order was been given by the judge to go ahead and complete the hot mixing of the road, which is in very pathetic state. We have approached couple of times to the assistant engineer's office, and they told us that they need to calibrate the hot mixing machines after the monsoon, and they would do it in the month of November and December. We approached again in November, December, nothing was done. We approached again in January, the story changed, saying that they do not have funds to pay the contractors. MLA, you all know very well who is he, right? And what he does, nothing. Only talks but does nothing. So when you have certain MLAs who talk and don't do nothing, then we lose hope in those type of MLAs. He promised that he said that he would stand and do that hot mix. Till today he is not even come there to see the road, what state that road is in.
I've called my assistant engineer. He is attending a meeting. Once he gives me the correct picture, as I told you, I have just come a month and a few days. I'm not aware of everything exactly.